Standard 9, Subject English, Composition, Strike when the iron is hot. Everyone wants success in life, and this can only be when one takes full advantage of the chance that comes in life. Never miss a chance. A little chance can turn into a golden gift. Make the best use of opportunities, as opportunities do not always come. The saying as it stands relates to the work of an ironsmith. The ironsmith, by the side of his furnace, heating the iron rod till it becomes red hot. That is the right time when he should strike it and mold it in whatever shape he wants. If he misses that chance and allows that red heat to cool down, the iron would again become hard and will not be malleable. He will again have to undertake the same process and the same labor, doubling the effort only due to the mischance. Everything has to be done at a proper time. Maxim says that the most suitable time and acting promptly to win an advantage. When the iron is in the furnace, only when it is heated to a particular temperature, it can be beaten into the required shape. Same as, in the same way, for raising good crops, sowing, planting, harvesting, plant can be bent in the way we want, only when it is tender, but not when it grows into a tree. To implant ideas of right and wrong, and to inculcate good behavior and help form good habits. So it is a business of a parent to choose the most suitable one's early life, which is formative period of a person's life. So, a student should also study sincerely to make the most of the opportunity availed to him at his school and college. If a student studies all the year round, he is sure to excel in the examination. Even if it is said, make hay while the sun shines. This too would be the same one which would act wisely, not in the haste, but the chances of the success would be low. So it is very much important for us to wait for the right opportunity. When an opportunity comes, we should leave no stone unturned to make the most of it. So every student must study sincerely to make the most of the opportunity whatever he gets in his life. So it shows that the hard work always helps you to reach to the pinnacle of success. This proverb is also essentially means that a person should learn to strike the opportunity when he gets it. Success does not knock at the same door twice, but one should always keep his doors open for any kind of opportunities that knock your door. A person who is successful does not attain his success just by the matter of chance, but successful people put in a lot of hard work and labor to attain the pedestal they have risen to. Luck does matter in your right cards, playing out in the right time, but it is your decision that make you successful or unsuccessful. Failure is an evident step in the process of success, but not trying to attain what you want to be bring you no opportunities. Do only what the situation requires to, and the right door will open up eventually for you. Success takes time. It is not a one-day process. Idea of success changes as it is a subjective matter and everyone has to have different way. Success is not a destination but a journey where the difficulties convert into opportunities at the right time. But for that, you need to have patience and meanwhile work on improving your skills so that you have an added advantage to yourself. Thank you.